Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So today what we're going to be talking about is Nowsites and there's different packages that they have and what you get with it. But mostly we're going to be focusing on the free user section. That's going to be key and our most narrowed down topic today. So we're going to dive right into it, show you guys what you get with it, how do you get it, and yeah. So with that, here we are. As you can see, I'm actually using one of the flyers that they have feature summaries for Nowsite's packages. So you see they have the free networking, marketing, networking plus marketing. So we're going to go over free because I want to talk about this one. So Nowsite is actually releasing a new a package that you are able to have free users. I've done a couple of videos in the past about that, little teasers. They are now offering free users. They're letting people come on their platform for free. But yes, there is a catch. You don't get access to everything that paid users get. You do get some stuff, and it's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to show you guys what you get with the free membership of Nowsite Marketing. So as you can see, free, doesn't cost you anything. You don't need to put a credit card in there at all. I have another video that shows you how to go through that process. It hasn't launched it today yet. Today is the 10th, October 15th, 2021. But I have access to get people there in beta stage, so I can actually get people on it before it actually launches in November of 2021. So if you're seeing this now, this is where we're at with it. So what you get with this, you get unlimited contacts. So you can actually add unlimited contacts onto the Nowsite free platform. Total target prospects. You get 10 target prospects a month. So what that means is that's a new thing that they're offering. Nowsite is that if you are looking for certain people for your business, services, products, you can actually target in on certain prospects. Like if they're into the network marketing, if they're into health and wellness, you get different niches that you can target on. English speaking, European, African, different languages too as well. So that's what I'm talking about when I say target prospects. It's key because that helps you build your business. You have people to talk to. That's the biggest issue, run out of people to talk to. So that's what you get. You get 10 a month, and it resets every month. You get automated sales scripts, sales tactic and scripts. It's pretty cool. Automated, nice. You're able to join teams. You're able to create teams. So you actually can create teams for your teams, your friends, your members, customers, and so you can actually communicate with them on a daily or whatever basis you want to communicate with them to get important information across to them. Like I said, you can join teams. They have multiple teams you can join too, so you don't have to worry about that. So you're not just stuck onto one team's another free user or another user or leader or whatever can create their own teams, and you can actually join those too if you have access to. But they have to grant you permission to it. Also, we have team file sharing. Team file sharing. The best way I can describe this one is this. Dropbox. Dropbox offers you 2 gigs for their free program. This offers you 5 gigabytes of storage. On networking, you get unlimited. Marketing, you get unlimited. And networking and marketing, you get unlimited. So for free, you get 5 gigs. And that's awesome. That's great. That's better. That's more than Dropbox. And Dropbox only gives you 2 gigs. So this is nice. You get analytics with the free. Analytics, you get free. You get free analytics. That's awesome. If you don't know what analytics is analytics is basically how you can see how things are performing, the data collected, what people are resonating with more, like opting into on certain things, just more data on prospects and yourself and how things are functioning with your websites, or say this one, business cards, because this is for free. But for other stuff, you can get other data and details on things like that. Contact enhancements, you don't get access to that. personality analysis. You don't get access to that for the free. And what else? Digital business card. You get one digital business card with the free. One. But that's one free digital business card. That's pretty cool. And you can check my other videos too. It's on the playlist, but you'll be able to see what the digital business card is. It's pretty cool. It's nice. You can customize it, put your own social media links in there. Great, a great addition to the features and the templates for websites for Nowsite. You do websites and sales funnels. You don't get unlimited of those. You don't even get none of those. Email marketing, nothing. Social media content, nothing. SMS marketing, nothing. Online advertising, none. Now, you can always upgrade. It's okay. This is the free, so you're not paying for anything. So you're getting all this right here for free. That's an amazing deal. For free. Our favorite word. One of our favorite 4-letter words. Free. If you want, you can upgrade to other stuff, and you can see the tiers. Now, I'll be doing other videos on what you get for the other tiers, but for this one, yeah, for free, this is what you get. It's nice. Now, the digital business card alone is great. The prospects, 10 target prospects alone is great. The 5 gigs of team sharing, be able to create your team, to join teams, and to add unlimited contacts. That's basically like a CRM. That's way worth free. So, how much is this going to cost you? 0. It's free. So, yeah, guys, I mean, this is an amazing deal. I mean, the fact that Nowsite is actually offering this and letting people do this, but it's not available to everyone yet. Not until November 2021. I'm not saying when November 2021, but in November. Could be the beginning, could be the end. So, with that, you may be wondering, well, why are you telling me this now? To let you guys know a little bit ahead of time, but they're in beta mode, and I got access to beta mode. So here's the thing: if you want to get signed up for your free membership, go ahead, look at the description or the first comment that's pinned. Click on that link because you can opt in and get your free account with Nowsite. I only got 50 spots. 50. First come, first serve. So hopefully you don't miss out on this one. Take advantage of it because it's here. And you can do all this stuff. Now, you don't have to be techie. It's okay. We won't go do that whole spiel, but you don't have to be techie. This is an amazing platform if you're looking to market online. Looking to get a free digital business card. Change up as you want to. This is so cool. And I'm about to create mine. And I can't wait to use mine. And so with that, I hope you got some value from this one. I hope you understand what I'm telling you guys, because this is an amazing opportunity for you guys that's free. So jump on board, get your free digital business card, get your 10 prospects per month. They have not launched yet. They will launch. They will let you guys know when that program starts. It's free, guys. Can't stress this enough. You don't enter a credit card for this one. It's free. So until the next one. Oh, do me a favor. If you like what you see here, you like the content I'm giving you, do me a favor, that big red button below, click that big red button. That's the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification if you do that, saying, hey, boop, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video, some new content for you. You like this last one, you got some value from this last one, you might want to check this one out too. So with that, guys, I hope you, actually, if you have any questions or concerns, put in the comments as well, or hit me up on my cell phone. My number is in the description also. You can text or call me, either or, if you have any questions about this. I will be more than happy to help you guys out, answer those questions. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.